Jenkin hamburger press is made of aluminum alloy, 304 stainless steel. It is easy operation and can significantly speeding up burger preparation. Ergonomically designed lever saves a lot of manpower and time. Patties can be easily made in just a few steps. Changzhou Jinkan Food Machinery was founded in 2012. We have over 30 CNC machines, fully self-processing, 4 automatic assemble lines producing over 100,000 units per year. Choose us as your reliable partner of meat machine in China. Connect with us instantly for tailored solutions. Click to chat now.